Welcome to Vijay Views. I hope you guys are safe and healthy. So guys, in this video I'd like to share you the information about the new electric vehicle launch from Rigor Motors. Uh, if we are not familiar with the company, right, we might know the ultraviolet, the electric bike, right, which is into the development. So the founders are from the same company who are into design and the development, and they've been into design in Honda and other companies also, Ather. So you can expect an product which would be appealing. And in terms of features, guys, still there's no any features information has been revealed. We can expect an multi-utility vehicle from the company, which is going to be launched next year. So they are working on the development. Next year they will launch the vehicle. But the battery options and the pricing has been updated from the articles I'll shared on the screen. So they are trying to give two range option. One is 100 kilometers and the 180 kilometer range option on a single charge. And the top speed also 40 and 80. There are two options. As this is an utility vehicle, it would have an payload carrying capacity of 200 kgs. I hope that will serve the purpose for the e-commerce company. And if you're someone who's trying to buy it for your home, if you are carrying luggage, right, I hope that will serve the purpose. And pricing, it has been between 80 and 1 lakh price range, guys, and they are trying to bring this vehicle to the market by next year, mid or before that. I hope it would really be a good product from the company. There are many EVs are in the lineup, guys, but many companies might not bring their vehicle to the market because of the funding, right? I hope this vehicle comes out to the market, and interested buyers they can surely buy it. But the company's main focus is to sell to the e-commerce company who has an the petrol powered one, and they wanted to shift it to EVs. I hope it should be useful to someone who's looking for an electric vehicle with a multi-utility option, and they have an option to buy it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video. All the images will be shared on the screen. You can check it out with the pricing and the other details. I'll share it on the screen, and the article link will be in the description. If you want to check the Bergman Street electric vehicle launch information video, it will be in the icon. You can check it out. I'll see you in the next video. Please be safe.